Every job opening attracts hundreds of applications. Recruiters have only a few seconds to decide which candidates deserve a closer look. What impression does your application leave? Resumes, zip files, and Google Drive folders make recruiters search for your work. When your achievements are difficult to find, your skills can easily be overlooked. Imagine sharing a single link that introduces you, showcases your projects, highlights your skills, and makes it easy for recruiters and clients to explore your work. A great portfolio is more than an attractive website. Every section, from your profile and projects to certifications and contact details, helps build trust and tell your professional story. A professional portfolio reflects your technical ability, organization, and attention to detail. Before reading your resume, recruiters can already see your professionalism. Instead of depending on website builders, learn HTML and CSS to create a portfolio that's completely yours. Update it anytime, customize it freely, and publish it online with confidence. Your portfolio should evolve as you grow. Add new projects, certifications, achievements, and skills whenever your career reaches the next milestone. In this hands-on workshop, you'll build your own portfolio from scratch, learn HTML and CSS fundamentals, customize every section, and publish your website online. Invest just a few hours to create a portfolio that represents your professional identity. Join us on 16th August and build a website you'll proudly share with recruiters and clients. Your portfolio is more than a website. It's your story, your skills, and your professional brand. We look forward to helping you build it. See you in the workshop. Don't just send files. Showcase your professional identity. Register today with Tech Writers Tribe.